Hello, welcome back to my channel again, InitialOfEarn. If you want to earn from home like I do, so make sure this is the channel, only subscribe it and click the bell button for more notification. Have a good day. Hello and assalamu alaikum, welcome back to my channel with another video. First of all guys, if you're not subscribed my channel yet, so just go to subscribe and smash that button and click on the bell for more notifications. And you can also check out my recent upload videos that is about golden tea and about earn money by free search like Google. If you search on Google will never pay you, but the free search is a new search engine will pay you in like tokens. You can redeem in your USD dollar or whatever you are other cryptocurrencies. Okay, you can also check out my recent newly there is 4 days ago, and they've been up to $550 in free Dogecoin. This is the most amazing site guys. You must watch all the videos about free and you will be able to earn free money on online. Okay, thank you so much guys. Today I will talk about a new Faucet like Moon Bitcoin, Moon Dogecoin, and this is Faucet for a Litecoin Faucet. So for Litecoin coin, so the Faucet is name is moonliteco.ib. Okay, so first of all we will see the review. Okay, so guys, if you're not registered on this site, just simply go to my video description and find out this link and click on it or copy and paste in your browser URL. Okay, you just wait for a 5 seconds. We'll see the time here. You click on deny and wait for a 5 seconds. So you simply click on this skip this ad and you will get on this site, that is Moon Litecoin site. Guys, if you don't have a Litecoin wallet address, you can go to my description and check out the link how to get your Litecoin wallet address. Okay, so guys, if you see this site, the site is belong to Litecoin for a Litecoin fee. If you want to earn free Litecoin, you can join this site and simply sign up here. You simply put your email address and sign in. You don't need to anything give them. So welcome to Moon Litecoin free Litecoin. So please enter your coin per Moon address and Litecoin wallet address below to get started. So what is Moon Litecoin? So Moon Litecoin is a Litecoin Faucet with a difference. You decide how often to claim, whereas most faucets only allow you to claim once per hour or once per day. We allow you to claim as often as little as you like. The faucet will gradually fill up, so don't be worried, it will be quick and gradually fill up automatically, so quite quickly initially, but it will slow down over time until you make a claim. So the longer you leave it, the more you will be able to claim. You may prefer to claim a smaller amount every 5 minutes, so or visit once per day and claim the large amount that has built a value per way. My minimum 5 minutes that mean claim per account per IP address. So you can also join Moonlight on Twitter. So how much can I claim? Click here to be the current rate. So guys, as you can see the chart of current claim rate, the table below show the claim rates at 2019. Okay, so if you see the claim time is 5 minutes. If you claim after 5 minutes, you can your payout will be 104 Litoshi, and if you claim after 10 minutes, you will get your payout in 187 Litoshi, and if you claim after 15 minutes, you will pay out 250 claim 250 Litoshi, and if you claim after 30 minutes, you will get your reward 384 Litoshi, and if you claim after 1 hour, you will get 550 Litoshi. And you can see all the reward and timing period you can claim. So guys, now let's see how to sign up. Okay, so the process is simple, like moon go in our montage in. Okay, the process is simple like moonbitco.in or moon.co.in. Okay, so just simply put your Gmail ID that must be linked in your Litecoin wallet address. Guys, if you do not have Litecoin wallet, you can go to my video description, find out the Litecoin wallet address. Okay, so what is Litecoin? You can also see the video.
What is Litecoin? Litecoin is a decentralized online currency created in October 2011. Litecoin can be used to purchase services such as website development or to buy goods like jewelry or tea. Litecoin provides a safe and easy way for merchants to accept money, as there are no fees to receive payments and no chargebacks. All transactions are recorded on a public ledger known as the blockchain, so payments can be immediately verified. With Litecoin, you can send money anywhere in the world to anyone instantly. The transaction fees are considerably less than those charged by major credit card companies, traditional bank transfers, and even other digital payment processors. For example, a business in Singapore can receive a payment from a customer in San Francisco in a matter of seconds. Additionally, both parties have clear proof that the payment was sent and received. Litecoin works using secure software that allows you to make payments as easily as sending an email. You can send and store them securely on your computer or your mobile device. There will only ever be 84 million Litecoins, so you will never have to worry about inflation decreasing the value of your Litecoins. Litecoin has a stable, established marketplace consisting of many exchanges that handle tens of millions of dollars in Litecoin trades every day. You can use these trusted exchanges to trade your dollars, euros, and other fiat currencies for Litecoin. The possibilities are endless. Welcome to the future of commerce. Welcome to Litecoin. To become a part of the future and learn more about Litecoin, visit litecoin.com.
Hope you guys understand the video and also what understand what is Bitcoin, what is use of Bitcoin. So guys, So first is simple, just simply put your Gmail address and click on the sign in button and click on this caption, fill the captcha for security reason. So just click on verify and click on submit button. Okay, so the guys process is simple. To sign up, simply just simply put your Gmail address, Gmail ID, and but I registered with my Litecoin address because I don't know what is recommended from me, so I just recommended you and suggest you just log in with your Gmail ID. Okay, so just click on sign in and simply complete the captcha. For security reasons, click on verify and submit button, and you will be signed in as your Gmail ID. But I have this address because I already registered with my Litecoin address, so you must be registered with your Gmail ID. Okay guys, if you see the first option is referral, just simply click on this option. You will see the massive 25% lifetime commission plus up to 100% claim bonus. Refer your friend. You can see all the instruction about referral. So here's your referral link. You can share with your friends or on other social medias, share on Facebook, share on Twitter. Okay, so if you click on this here for payment trail, guys, if we the 500k Satoshi threshold last week, then you can find a link to the blockchain transaction for your payment on the account page. You must be signed into this to see this. If you don't if you do not reach the threshold, then your balance will be carried forward to next week. So guys, if you don't know how to work on it, so let's see how to claim our work. Okay, so guys, the process is simple to claim, and just click this claim now and just click on I am not a robot and see this captcha, fill it and click on verify and submit. Okay, so as you can see, I have already claimed. Now my balance is 305k. So you can claim here. After 5, you must wait at least 5 minutes that you claim. So hope you guys enjoy this video, and I mostly recommend to view this also because it's only free for who want to earn free money online. Okay, thank you so much for having on my video, liking me, sharing me, and guys, in the end I want to tell you, please subscribe my channel and click on the bell button for more notifications. Thank you so much guys, have a good day, bye bye.